Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can insert a SIM card to your Motorola Razr 40. We want to insert a SIM card so that we're able to make phone calls, send SMS, use our mobile data and stuff. And we first need to look for our SIM card slot, and on the Razr 40 it's on the side here. So we'll take our SIM card ejector or a simple paper clip to poke in the hole and then to open that SIM card slot. We'll take that out, and we have space for one SIM card here, so we'll take our SIM card and then insert that here. And now we'll put the whole thing back in the phone. So now we need to unlock our SIM card first of all. And now we are back in the phone, and if we go to our settings now and then go to network and internet, here we see Kongstar here, this is our provider, and then we see that we have a signal, so we also can make calls, send SMS and stuff like that. So that's how you can insert a SIM card to your Motorola Razr 40. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.